Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So right now we are in the browser, and all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. So just tap on the option and then tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So tabs again, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. Here the time range, you can also change the time, it's up to you, and then tap on delete data. And now we will go back to the home page. Here we've got the information, which means that we just successfully removed the browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.